641. Let's check the markets. With Stifel Nicolaus. Dwayne Thomas is with us. Good morning, Dwayne Thomas.
Good morning, McGraw.
How did we finish up yesterday?
Yesterday, the Dow Jones average closed up 15 points, finishing at 20,663. We started the day strong, up about 90 points, but as the political issues kind of took the stage, the market gave back late in the afternoon.
What does this attack do to oil and oil prices?
Well, oil historically has moved up with any disruption in the Middle East. So the U.S. firing on the Syrian airfield should move the price of oil up. And so far this morning in futures, oil's up 1% to $52.20 a barrel. However, the U.S. is near storage capacity. We're producing the most we've ever produced. OPEC production has been steady, even though they talk about cuts as they try to push prices up. I don't believe Syria exports any oil at all. So if this mess stays contained in Syria, it's hard to expect much price movement other than short-term fear trade.
Gas is up quite a bit the last couple of days, though, is it not? I was driving by a gas station. It was like almost $2.40 the other day, this morning or last night.
You know, gas prices tend to move as much on U.S. refining and what's in storage and how fast they're refining. So if one refiner goes down someplace, we tend to have that type of movement just in gas as much as the oil. When oil moves $5 a barrel, absolutely. But on $1 or $2 a barrel, it's more about the refining than the actual price of oil.
Yeah, that's good. Good point. All right. Now, speaking of gas and gas stations, 7-Eleven is getting into the gas game?
Well, they already are in a number of ways. But they're adding to what they have. They're buying 1,100 Sunoco convenience stores for a cost of $3.3 billion. This brings their total number of locations in the U.S. to 9,815. 7-Eleven is owned by a Japanese company called 7i. Somehow it just seems like an American company to me, and growing up in the whole bit, but they're spread throughout the entire country. Is a lot. It's almost 10,000 stores, and they just keep adding to it.
What's interesting is somehow things changed. It's called 7-Eleven because it used to be open from 7 in the morning to 11 at night. And now it's open.
That was considered long.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. That was their marketing ploy. Let's just go to 7-Eleven because they're open all the time. Now they're open 24 hours a day.
Exactly.
All right. How are the markets today?
Market right now looks like we're going to be up about 10 points. We have non-farm payroll and some other announcements like the unemployment number coming early this morning. So I think there's a lot of focus on that. And, of course, people are looking at what's happening in Syria as well.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. We'll get that numbers from the Labor Department in about 45 minutes or so. That is Dwayne Thomas with Stifel Nicolaus. Dwayne, have yourself a good day. Thanks for checking in.
Have a great weekend.
You got it. 6:45.